I know everybody is familiar with the great design of this Henry vacuum cleaner, but when it comes to cleaning down the back of a radiator, they fail like most vacuum cleaners. What I have here is about 4 feet. That's about 1.2 meters. 120 centimeters, 1200 millimeters of garden hose. It's just regular garden hose, and about 60 centimeters, about 600 millimeters, about 0.6 of a meter down the hose. That's about 2 feet. I've tied an old sock. It's a double granny, which is a reef knot done wrong. If you take the flexible part of the Henry vacuum cleaner and begin to thread your garden hose into it, until you reach the knotted end and start to wedge the knot into the hose, this creates your seal. Now when you begin, you shouldn't feel too much of a draft here, and you should have plenty of suction. It does cause a little strain on the engine. And yeah, now you can get your hose pipe down the back here, and all the cobwebs and dust are a thing of the past. So clean. And if you get the right sort of hose, you can go even in between the fans of the radiator and get it all nice and clean, or free of dust anyway. However, I would only recommend using it for like 10 minutes and then giving your motor, your electric motor, your Henry, a little rest, because otherwise you might overheat it, because it's a non-standard thing, and I don't recommend you try that at home. This was a sort of spoof. It's starting to strain, folks. Make sure you've still got an airflow through your hose pipe, and then give it a rest anyway. But I mean, I don't recommend you do this. If you were desperate, this is what I did.